Brad Williams, Excel Prime, running totals, or cumulative sales, or expanding range. They pretty much all mean the same in this particular example. What do I mean? We are just accumulating 313 plus 367. Then we're going to take that total and we're going to add the 487 and so on and so forth. This is a running total. We can use, and here's what's critical. If you don't understand absolute values, you gotta get a strong grip, strong understanding of how absolute values work versus relative values versus mixed values. I'm not going over it here. I've hit on it enough. Take my other tutorial, the other beginner course, which I spend probably 45 minutes over probably 3 or 4 lessons to hammer this point. The way this works is simply we lock C5. Then we're just using the sum function. Then we copy it down. What happens when we copy it down? Well, C5 is constant or doesn't move. And then all we're doing is adding C5 and C6. Then we move down and then we're adding C5 to C7. Then we're just repeating this over and over. This is the approach I want you to incorporate. You can also just do this. You have a fixed number, and then you just add the two. That's all we're doing. Exact same thing. You want to use this expanding range approach because we're going to use it in more complex examples, which this will not work. For simplicity, use this second approach. I just want you to use this. Get used to understanding this C5. And I want you to go in, and if you need, and I keep repeating this, if you need to change these numbers, if you just want to experiment, what do? Answer, please, 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 answer. You hit F4. And that's going to do what? The definition. That's different from this, which is different from this, which is different from this. And I'm not going to explain to you. You should know by now. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for your time.